10 passive income ideas for beginners want to make money while you sleep. In this video, I'm sharing the best 10 passive income ideas for beginners so you can start earning without working 24/7. Let's get into it. 1. YouTube automation. First up, YouTube automation. You don't even need to show your face. Just create faceless videos like finance, motivation, or book summaries. Once your channel gets monetized, YouTube pays you for ads. And us to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. Recommend products and earn commissions. Sign up for Amazon, Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Share product links and get paid every time someone buys. Example, imagine you review gadgets and put affiliate links in your YouTube or blog. Boom. Passive income. They're blogging. Then start a blog on finance, fashion, or tech and earn money from ads. Affiliate links. Websites like Mediavine and AdSense pay for ad space once you get traffic. Fact, some bloggers make thousands per month just from their content. 4. Selling digital products. Why not create ebooks, templates, or online courses and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy? Digital products sell over and over again without extra effort. Example, if you know budgeting, make a finance planner template and sell it. 5. Print on demand. With print on demand, you design t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs and sell them on Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. The supplier handles everything. You just collect profits. Pro tip, use free tools like Canva to create designs without being a pro. 6. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks and get paid every few months just for holding them. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and McDonald's pay dividends. Tip, use apps like Robinhood or Webull to start investing with small amounts. 7. Real estate REITs. If buying property seems expensive, try REITs, real estate investment trusts. They let you invest in real estate without owning a house and still earn rental income. Fact, REITs are great for beginners who want passive real estate income. 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is like running an online store without handling inventory. Find trending products, list them on Shopify, and let suppliers ship them for you. Example, you sell watches on your site. The supplier ships them directly to the customer. You just collect profits. 10. 9. Selling online courses. Are you good at something? Teach it. Create an online course and sell it on Udemy or Teachable. Once it's uploaded, you keep making money from it. Example, if you're great at social media, make a course on growing Instagram. Creating an app or website. Ever thought about building an app or website? If you create a tool people love, you can earn from ads, subscriptions, or premium features. Fact, even a simple website with Google AdSense can make passive income. Now it's your turn. Which 10 passive income idea are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next one.